Running is a wonderful sport if you don't run on the road. You'd never run a good racehorse on the road because it ruins their legs. So what about yours? Aren't they important? If you see a man and his dog running along the street, you'll see that the dog is in the ditch because that's where it's soft. Get off the road and run on the trails, run on the golf course, run on the beach, run on the sand, but don't run on the road. It ruins your legs and your back. Good shoes are, yes, important, but they don't do the job. Keep in mind that if you want to run forever, then do it on something that's soft and not on the unforgiving cement and pavement of the road. A little history about how professional athletes have used this. Back in the late 80s, Rickey Henderson, who was a base stealer for the Oakland A's, came to one of our myotherapists with a leg problem, a lower leg problem. And he agreed only to go on the injured list if he was sent to a myotherapist to get his leg fixed. But Rickey, being a base stealer, actually the problem was not in his lower leg, but it was in his toe, because that's what he used to take off to steal the bases. So after 3 treatments, he went back, tied Brock's record, and then he broke Brock's record. So that's one way one of the professional athletes has used myotherapy. Prudden Myotherapy is a way to get rid of muscle pain. It involves trigger points. We all have them. We gather them throughout our life, depending on our sports and our occupations and our accidents. And runners, of course, will have them in their legs and in their gluteal muscles and in their low back muscles for the most part. And if you take 2 runners who are basically the same height and weight, but one can stand with their feet together, knees straight, and bend over and touch the floor, and the other one can bend over and only comes to within 2 or 3 inches of the floor, the one that touched the floor is going to have a longer stride and is going to win the race. So if you're into winning races, make sure that your hamstrings are strong as well as flexible. That will help you to win the race and also help you to prevent back pain, because 50% of all low back pain is due to tight hamstrings. If you were coming to me as a runner, I would find the trigger points in the whole lower part of your body. I would press on them for 5 to 7 seconds. That would untie the knot, so to speak, and then we would re-educate the muscle with corrective exercise. If you want to win the race, come see me, up your mileage, up your speed, and run pain-free. You can find me at 520-529-3979 or at bonnieprudden.com.